Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Here is how to enable it for your Altana Federal Credit Union account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Altana Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access security settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. This could be via SMS, text message, email, or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to verify your choice. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen method, confirm the changes and save your settings. You may be required to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Altana Federal Credit Union account, enhancing your security.